RideTech has created a kit for these 19 to 23 Silverados to basically maintain great ride quality while creating a better handling truck and all around just better performing vehicle in general. The front of this kit's going to include Fox Racing monotube shocks. They're rebound adjustable. Also, it's a coilover, so you can adjust the ride height for your preference a little bit. The upper control arm that's included corrects camber and also is going to correct ball joint angles. With the front being lowered 2 inches, we came back to the rear and did a 4-inch drop on this with adjustable shackles. It's got a flip kit and adjustable shocks. For the higher horsepower trucks, we also have traction bars as an option for this kit. We offer a rear sway bar that's going to help minimize roll and create a better balance. And then we also offer an air assist kit if you're looking to do some hauling with the truck still. If you've got one of these trucks and you're looking for a great stance, ride quality, and performance, this is definitely the kit for you. If you want to learn more about this kit, visit ridetech.com. Follow us on social media.